So this is a song that we play for our mothers. It's called Hurricane Wind, and somebody lost her mother, I lost mine, and anybody out there who's missing their mom, this is for you. It's called Hurricane Wind.
Yesterday the world was light as a feather. Everything was so alive, filled with color. It'll pass you by, the innocence of time, 'cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. Drive you crazy. The sun will rise and rise, she'll make you dizzy. And for a while that's nice, and love gets sacrificed, 'cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. Keep you safe for all your days, even when you're older. But now, Mom, stay in heaven's grace, as the boys turn to men like hurricane wind, like hurricane.
Thank y'all. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna strip it down for a second. We're gonna strip it down for a second because Mr. Sean O'Reilly is also a wonderful songwriter. So we want you to hear one of his songs, or one of ours, him singing it. So we're gonna take a little, just a 1 or 2 song break. We'll be back as a full band.
the light, won't you guide me home? 'Cause I've been running for so long. Stubborn heart that just beats to me. And now I got a sadness in my bones. So we run to midnight, chasing our tails to the ground. We're playing for keeps these time around. 'Cause I've got time all my life, and I have a needs every side. Sometimes pain, it's kind of kind, that's just a pretty line. I know you've seen so many things, and some of them have been so wrong. Shot the light right out of your eyes, and you ain't sweating so long. And honey, won't you see tonight? Let me dry your eyes, 'cause you're blind, you know. The best part of you is still to rise. So let it shine, diamond bright. All the colors of your life. Some of us, we were born to die, but that's just a pretty lie. That's just a pretty lie. So here we are in the hands of fate, like it was something that we choose. We're blue and black from the days gone by, but we got a good in our blood too. To hell with these bruises, these thoughts of consequence. I think the best part of us, it's still to rise. And from the cracks that comes pouring the light, in the darkness you cannot hide. You know nothing good can ever feel so right. That's just a pretty lie. That's just a pretty lie. That's just a pretty lie.
Thank you so much. So, I'd like to bring the lovely Stephanie Harris up here. She's gonna sing a song for us all.
Give it up for Sean O'Reilly, please. Oh my God. So amazing. And that song, that was another song written by Al. So is this next one coming up right now. So this is a song called Circles that I think Al mentioned actually earlier that my mom, both of our moms passed away recently, but this particular song, my mom seemed to be whispering to me through Al while we were just sitting on the couch, me and Al, one night. He was just singing this song, and it had this part in the chorus that was talking about sugar plums, and I was just like, you know, getting really emotional because my mom, that's what my nickname used to be. That was what my mom used to call me all the time, which is not, I don't know how that was. And I told him, you know, and he was just like, well, maybe your mom is like speaking to you through me. And I was just, you know, when he finally finished it and played it for me, I kind of just cried. And so, but I'm not going to cry now, I'm going to sing it for you. So I hope you like it. It's called Circles.
Sugar plum believe I've made a man. Circles run forever without end. The time is come, I'm moving on. Another circle around the bend. Well, I've had my tears and laughter a while, been scared to death as a child. Yet I've done my deeds, but I'm mean and kind. Ooh, sometimes the line you just can't see. Oh, sugar plum believe I've made a man. 'Cause circles run forever without end. The time has come, I'm moving on. Another circle rounds the bend. Where we go, only God will Sugar plum believe I've made a man. Circles run forever without end. And my time has come, I'm moving on. Another circle round, another circle round, another circle rounds the bend. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sean. Thank you, Al. I'm gonna bring the band back up here. Mr. Ben Fever, Mr. Steve Toby, and Mr. Al Pasquarelli.